Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 29 of the Newton Mudroom project. This is a big day today. We are standing in the kitchen and we're looking at the entranceway to the mudroom. Now if you recall, there used to be a door here and that was kind of put in as an afterthought. This was the main entrance that they were using to get in and out of the house. It was a small door, it came right into the kitchen. Wasn't very convenient at all. So we used to have a hutch just like this one over here, and we took that out and we opened this up. So now we have this entranceway into the mudroom. We've got a temporary step right now, but that's 2 steps down, and then we are in the mudroom. And we've got all the drywall up today. We didn't get to our scratch coat, but we had a lot of little details that really kind of took some time. And we wanted to take the time because when you're looking at drywall and you're looking at all these nice little details like these metal edges, which are really going to help this hold up, the more that we do now, the easier it's going to be just to put that plaster coat on and then to paint later. So every little bit we do now just makes it easier in the long run. So we've got our big coat closet open and it's all framed in here, and so we've got our 2 doors. Those are going to go on here. The only bit we didn't get to, and this is the utility closet right here, this is where the new sub panel is. Now I had mentioned that we're going to put in some adjustable shelves in there. So we've got some standard rails or peg rails as I like to call them, and so they're just adjustable rails that go up and down, but instead of it just being on the surface of the sheetrock and looking like an afterthought, I want to build them in so that they're going to be nice and flush and it's going to look really slick. So in order to do that, I got to put some nailers in here. So I'm going to come back on the weekend and I'm going to get this all finished up so that all this drywall will go in, and then the electrician's going to come on Monday and they're going to put all the light switches in, and we're finally going to get some lights in here. So this is now really becoming a part of the house. And it's starting to look really nice. And as I said, once we get to this point, it really starts to go quick. So here we are, day number 29. We're almost done with the trailer. We've only got a couple more pieces of drywall that's going to come in. So the trailer is going to go, and then it's just bang, bang, bang. We go through all of our plaster and finish work, and we wrap it all up, and we hand it over to the homeowners. So they're very excited to be in here. This is definitely a lot of square footage that's going to add on to the main house. And if you remember what this looked like before we even got here, it was an afterthought of a garage that had been renovated, and it was sorely in need of a little TLC. And so we've taken it and made it part of the house, and we've given them a really nice addition here where they can kick off their boots in the mudroom here, and then they don't have to drag all this into the house. Plus, we've got this nice entrance to the backyard now, which is going to give them an easy way to get into the backyard. And then we just got another stair that's going to come in here and then just give us a hand getting out there. So that's it, Newton Mudroom project on the final leg here. Thanks for checking it out, day number 29. I'll post again on Saturday once we get those rails in. If you got any questions about anything we got on the project here, please ask. Remember to like and subscribe.